So I've been getting this song in my head for a few days, and it comes up sometimes with clients when I'm working with them, and it's the song Never Enough. And so I'm just going to talk to the guides now and ask them why they keep saying it to me. Okay, so I've been told to record it, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, sec. So what I'm hearing is that there's nothing outside of us, no money, no fame, no success, no body that can fill any spaces when we do not remember that we are the true source within. And so the song Never Enough is there's never enough of anything to replace the feeling if we do not remember who we truly are, which is source. So we are light, we are divinity, we are source within. And there's nothing, there's nothing that could ever fill that space. No physical thing, no person, no bank balance, no nothing. It's never enough until we actually embody the source within. Okay. Anything else? So they're saying that, this is Melchizedek, by the way, they're saying that as we walk about our life and we see things that we want and people that we want, and we have this feeling of an attachment to what we desire, we actually push that thing that we desire further away. And the reason for that is because wanting something outside of us is actually saying to ourselves that we are not enough. Wow. I get that. So as we embody the source within and we stay in that frequency of remembering, then we do not need to strive or need anything, because we are exactly everything we need. And then we get guided to the people, the places, the situations, the openings, and we get guided to what is a pathway of where our soul is taking us for the good of humanity and the good of our journey that we've chosen. Do you have anything else? I'm hearing that this is, so these words that they're giving me, and that you might be hearing if I decide to put this out there, maybe on my YouTube channel, is almost like an initiation into the fifth dimension. And he's saying to me that this is why they guided me to run the series of new workshops, manifesting in 5D, because actually we have to embody the source within to manifest in 5D. Okay, I get it. And so this is an initiation. So this conversation that they're having with me, that I'm sharing with you, is an initiation to manifesting in 5D. Okay. And we are complete. Thank you. Okay. Wow. Okay. So something that I kind of just wanted to hear the answers for myself for, I was guided to record it, and now I know why. So I hope that helps you. And if you want to do the series Manifesting in 5D, you can find it on my newsletter. Just go to susankennard.co.uk, sign up for my newsletter, and that's where you'll find it. Thank you, Melchizedek. I appreciate that. Much love, everyone.